So Changshimbo. Do you see that? Yeah. Changshimbo. Okay. Changshimbo. Still 6, yeah. We wait for 2. Maybe it's okay. Changshimbo. Everybody can see, right? So Changshimbo. Chang, very popular Tibetan drink, and it's a beverage. Chang. Actually, Chang is not really like beer, you know. Chang is from the barley, and then with other seeds, then we can have dechang, rice, you know, and dechang. Just if you say chang, it's usually very popular in Tibet. So shimbo means tasty. Shimbo. Lumo. So Lumutso, the singer. So Lu is Naga. Lu means Naga. Mo is female Naga. So Tso, because Aochanoro Tso and Maochanoro Tso also. So Tso for female in Amdo, they write like Aochanoro Tso. So like that, something like, oh, Maochanoro Tso. I don't know how they write it. So Yandro. So it has no meaning. So is no meaning. Yadro means go higher and higher. Changshimbo layer, I had Changshimbo. So then Kyabne, object of refuge, object. Ne is the object. Kyab, refuge. Kunjo Sum, 3 jewels. Kun actually means very rare. Chok means best, excellent. Sum 3, La 2, Che means offer. Ha, so it's actually Ha and La, like Lama, the same meaning in Tibetan, which means higher. So Ha, deity, Kenchu, yours. So Kalam, I don't know, all the way here, ka, you know, but I don't know what it means. But Ka usually means like Katak in Dzogchen, like Katak means beginning. Katak, beginning, from the beginning, it's free, Katak. But here it should be like Karlam, I think. Kar means white, Lam is path. So Kalam, white path, and Tumba. Tumba means to show. Mun is wished, yeah, Mun. Then Tin Chen, Tin is gratitude, kindness. Chen means having gratitude, yeah. Pama, parents. Yongla means to all. Che, again. Tin, same. Pame, Kashul. So again, you see Ka, the written Ka. Shul is the whatever is left. Shul. Simba means took hold of, yeah, take hold of. Mun. Okay. Then next Kangjen, as you know, Kang, snow, Chen means having snow. So Kangjen Pao, Pao means hero, brave people, yeah, Pao. Yong La to all, Che, Poos. So this Poo, we say Poo. Pao, Poo, Pao, Kadun, again here, Ka. Then means the aim, objective. So Kadun, again, I don't know what it means, Kadun. Then is the object, your aim. Dubarmen, here one missing, Chak missing, okay, yeah. Dubarmen, Dub means accomplish. Then she is those in Tibet, and Je means those who are around the world. So Shije Pemi, we're talking about Tibetan, Shije Pemi. And Dumbo means the guest. Yongla Che, to you all. Talk means friend or talk. Kensu, Kasem, again it's written Ka. So Kasem, I don't know, kasem, maybe whatever they wish. Kasem, nyepa means to find, men. Menchung, so menchung means a young girl. Menchung, menchung, pumo, girl, yongla chu. Then ma, ama, same. Kenzu, kasem, again it's written kasem, whatever they mind. Kyong, kyong means completed. This is past. Kyong bar mun, accomplish mun. Kangjin, next chiba. Again, oh, I've made a spelling mistake here. So chiba is payada chagi with chisachi. Yeah. Kangjin chiba. Maybe we will use another one. Okay. Okay. Because I don't want you to have wrong spellings. Yeah. So like this, we 형신보. Okay. So 지바 봐야돼 자기 지서치. 지바. Do you see? Yeah. 지바 용라 취. Then also here one.
Again, we don't see.
You don't see it? Okay, wait a minute. No. Here. Do you see now?
Yes.
Okay. So here. 민중 부모 용라추 마킨즈 가셈 평발문 강진 지바 like this 지바 means children. Okay. 용라추 부 제로. So lo it's in amdo they use. Otherwise 제 means somebody to cherish, somebody you love, take care. 강의 simba shows. So you maybe here 강의 means alphabet, you know. ngui means the nature, but I don't know what it means. Yeah, 강의 simba means recognize. So it's a famous song. So let's save this, and then we will now listen to this song. Yeah, famous song. Okay. Everybody can see, right?
There's no sound.
You don't see?
No.
Wait a minute. I don't know how to do this. Yeah. Wait a minute, please. And zoom here. Share. We share computer sound. Video. Do you see now?
So
Okay. So Lumutso is a very famous singer in Tibet. So it's good you can type Lumutso, yeah. Type something like this, yeah. Lumutso, yeah. In Lumutso, and then you will find all the songs with the subtitle, so you can sing. And next, maybe we have another exile singer, two famous singers. We'll have that later. Okay, so today we will maybe, what should I start with? Okay, because Genla did chalk, so you know the chalk offering. So we'll learn to read that chalk. Okay, so everybody can see, right? So this is long chen, long la la, right? High sound la, and ong long. So long chen. Nya becomes nya because of the superscript nya. So nya ing ning. Ta ik tik. Ning tik. Okay. Ki chok cha ok chok, and ta becomes the because of the prefix and also superscript. So ta becomes the, and then u sound umlaut u. Chok du u. So longshen ning digi chok du. Okay. Okay, so Jingme Lingba, Rigzin, Vidya Dara, Rigzin, Rigba Zimbar, Rigba Vidya, Rig, and Zin. Zin means hold, yeah. Vidya Dara means Zin, okay. And Jingme Lingba. So Jigme, Jigme. Jig means fear. So fearless. Jigme Lingba. So Ram Yam Kam. Okay, Ram Yam Kam. Then Ahung. Chok. Chok cha ok, right? Chok cha becomes za. So ze e sound. E with sa and ta. Remember sa and ta, it not become zes or zette. Not like that. It become completely e, I, u, e. Remember this, yeah? So chokze, short sound, yeah. Chokze, de, ta becomes the because the prefix. So the sound, right? E, I, de, yun, yeah, again, same and un, Duyun. These two difficult sound, yeah. Duyun. Okay. Ye, she, okay. She, ye, she. Ra, in umlaut, yeah. So many difficult sounds here. Your internet connection is unstable. Okay. Rul, pe. Again, this is not e, it's a, e, u, a. So this is a, right? Pe. Then kya becomes gya. So gen. Okay. Chokze deyun, yeshe, rulbe, gen. So chok is together. There is substances, whatever you offer. Deyun. De is the five sense objects. Whatever is good, yundin. Yeshe. So ye means again it's same as ka, like kata. Ye means beginning. Yeshe. She is mind. Rul means to enjoy. Yeah. Rulba. Okay. Gen is adornment. Chok je. So chok as je means king or the Lord. Chok je. Dak means the honor. Okay. So pena kangda means the owner of the house. Kang dak. Okay. That also means I. Yeah. Rik Jin, as I explained, Rik Vidya Dara, Rik Jin holder, Lama Lama Tang. Okay. Chokje Chokda Ringzin Lama Tang. Then is the seat. Okay. Sum 3. Then sum. Kil means center. Kil. Kor is entourage around. So king kor is like mandala. Ne. Okay. Ne and yul, the same meaning, yeah. Ne and yul. Ne yul means same meaning. Ne and yul, which means place. Ne is a place, yul is a place. Ne becomes the like a nishu tsajik, right? But nyer is like nishu tsapshi. So nyershi is a short form of nishu tsapshi. 24. Of dak. Okay. The honor. So ne sum kingor ne yu nyershi dak, like that. Pao means heroes. Pa means like Chanju Sempa means bravery, brave. Pao. So in Karasa, Tandra Pao means dagas, yeah, the male. Kando, which is pamo, pamo. Usually we say kandro. So ka is sky, space. Do means walk or go. Tamjen. So tam is color tamja, like the promise, oath. Chen means having oath or chen. Che dharma. Sung means to protect. Nam means plural, right? So pao kandro. So here kandro, you will hear na sound here. Kan, like that. Kandro. Tamje chusung nam. Okay. Then dir, di means here. Dir means dila here to this. Dir. So this is a particle, grammatical part. Dir shek. Shek means come, right? Come. Shek is an honorific word, like deshek. Gata, it's like Sanskrit gada. So gada is deshek. Deshek is a tathagata. So shek means to go or come. There's shek longche is to enjoy. Longche pa means to enjoy. And then choki chepa. So chepa. Here, chepa is the offering, yeah. She is the verb, honorific word, yeah. She means please have it. Sogi chepa. So gana buja. Gana chakra, choki choba. Okay. So dirshek longju choki choba shes. So then gel means to become opposite also. Yeah. Gel, transgrade also. Gel, friend become unfriend, gelwa. So gel tul means tulwa, mistake, confuse. Gel tul. Nong is again a kind of a mistake. Yeah. Nongba, nong tang, tamsik. Okay, tamsik, somaya, tamsik. Nyam means become, nyamba means to degenerate. Chak means broke. Yeah. Nyam chak, shak. So shak means to clean. Yeah, to confess, to purify. Shak. So geltul nongdang tamsik nyamcha shak. Dirshek longju tsogi chubashe geltul nongdang tamsik nyamcha shak. Then chi nang, outside, inside, so or external, internal. Parche. So parche is obstacle. Parche. Okay. Then chuki dharma, of dharma. Ing, is the state dharma dhatu. Ing su is a particle, into. Then in this case into or in. Dwell means to free, liberate. Chinang parje chugi ingsu dwell. So this is difficult. Ta become da because of superscript. So ta dwell. So difficult sound, yeah. Then hak is hakma, left. So when we have chok, then what we leave something, yeah, that chok, hak. So tor is torma, hak tor. She, as I said here, she, same, she means have, enjoy. Shela. So again, this is a particle. Shela. Tin. Actually, sometimes you can see as like this. Tin, but in all text you without this, yeah. Tin means a difficult task. Tin. Okay, difficult task that human cannot do. Then we say tinjul, for example. Tinjul is offering, we do tinjul to the deities, ask to do. Jul means to please do this, So tinle is activity. Tinle le also means leka. Dupermen, accomplish. Duperche is shesa. It's honorific word. So hakdoro shela, tinle duperze. Okay. And then guru. So here guru, deva. So dakini, duck. So ka. This is reverse, yeah. Thalo da, duck. Then ka iki ni, na ni, dakini. Gana chak, okay, chak ra. So ra is left. Gana chakra. This is ra, gana chakra. Sarwa, sar, take this ra as suffix. Sarwa, puja, okay, puja. Now here ush, okay, usha, chata. My internet is unstable. Really? Do you hear me, right? Ushchata. This is not ta. Okay. Then baling ta. Kaka kai. So on there. So you can read that, but in Longchen text, it's like Om Guru Deva Dakini, same. Gana Chakra Puja Ho. Okay, then ush, right? Ush, this is difficult, yeah? Ush, chishta, ta, ushkais. So here you can, say this, yeah? We in Longchen, when we do this, we say this mantra, yeah? So here, and Gela said this, okay, so we got this how to read. How do Shela Tine Drubar Guru Deva Dagin Ganajana Sawa Puja Ushchata Balinda Kaka Kai Sa. Okay, any questions? Okay, now you can read the talk because Gela said accumulate talk. So maybe it's good to read, reality better, not the phonetics, yeah? My sound is clear, right? Okay. So, okay, talk offering. Then we did, let's do a little bit, let me explain a little bit. Wait, where is this? Okay. So here, again, we come back to this. So let me, for this, here, this mean is ka. So Mingxi, which is 30 plus also the vowels, and then Mingxi, and then prefix there are 5, superscript there are 3, and then dogik, which is subscript there are 4, okay, and jinjuk, 10. In Sanskrit all letters can be jinjuk, but Tibetan only 10 jinjuk. And yangjuk, no, again, yang means again, juk, yangjuk is only 2, but in modern we see only 1, which is sa. Okay, and then this tech. So whenever there's a tech or she, it's always one sound. Okay, so we'll do a little bit. We'll learn a little bit today. Okay. Oops. Okay. So let's make it big. Okay. So like a Mingxi. Yes. Do you see?
No.
Do you see or not?
No.
What?
No.
Can you see now?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So let me put this a little bit up. Yeah. Okay. So Mingxi. Okay. Ming is sound. Xi is the basis. So basis of sound. So when you see the basis Mingxi, like if you see this, yeah, like ka is what you see, right? But actually ka is ka plus, okay, ka, no, let me, okay, no, copy this, yeah, no, okay, so we'll use this, yeah, again, copy, ka plus a, ka plus a, ka plus a, okay, put here, and then I put a, okay, so this is like this, ka plus a, so ka, that's why a sound comes, ka, you cannot say the Mingxi alone, it should have this yang. So that's why in English you write, in English you write like that, So that means you have this. But we don't see that, yeah? Ka, like this, And then ka plus ka plus ka, like this, kak, for example. So kak. This is what you see, kak. Okay. So then it's easy like this, kick, then easy, right? Like I, yeah? Oh my God, like this, okay? So Mingxi, remember Mingxi, ka, or ka, nga, or even like this, For example, ak is ak. So a is the mingxi here because the way the sound comes from, right? A. So a. Good. So mingxi, the ming means the sound. Ming also means the name, but here ming means the sound, where the sound, main sound comes from. Ka. Basis. Mingxi. So mingxi we have like 34 or just 30. You know. Then jinjuk. J means after. After mingxi, J, juk means engage. Yeah. Okay. Means jinju. So jinju we have kanga, thana, pama, ralasa. So kanga, thana, pama, ralasa nam jinju juice. Okay. So these are the 10 jinju. Okay. Jinju ju. Only 10. Yeah. Kanga, thana, pama. If you memorize, we memorize like that. Kanga, thana, pama. Kanga, thana, pama. Ralasanam jinjuju. Ralasanam jinjuju. We memorize jinjuju. We memorize like that. Okay. Kanga, thana, pama. Ralasanam jinjuju. So for jinju, we have learned, yeah, so many sounds from jinju, yeah, with the, so remember this, tha and sa. You see, they produce e, I, U, e, short sound and not other. Ka is ak, ik, uk, ok. Nga is ang, in, ung, ong. Tha is e, I, U, e, na is n, in, un, and those two umlauts. Pa is ab, uk, om, and ha is silent. Ra is ar, ir, ur, or. La is l, il, ul, l, again two umlauts, and sa is e, I, U, e, e, I, U, e. Learn this, okay? So that's jinjuk. Then yangjuk. Yangjuk is only two, tha and sa. And tha we don't use now. Now sa is silent, so no change in the sound. For example, like kanga kang is same as kanga sa kang. That's it. Okay. And pa pa pap. Okay, and pa pa sa pap. So no, not paps like that. So it's silent. So no problem with the yangju che. Now mingxi, jinjuk, yangju che. Then for mingxi we have ngunjuk. Ngun means, okay, yang means again, okay. J means after, right? Again after. Okay, so ngun means before. Ngun, and juk means engage. Ngunjuk, nga, ka, kata, pa, ma, a, ngunjuk. We memorize ngunjuk like that. Kata, pa, ma, a, ngunjuk. So there's 7 sounds. Kata, pa, ma, a, ngunjuk. Okay, kata, pa, ma, a, ngunjuk. So these 5 influence the sound of mingxi. Okay, and which letter? Only 9, 10, 11, no, 10 letters, right? They are kasa, ka, cha, ta, pa, cha. Okay, then nga, nya, nya, na, ma, and then we have one extra ya. Okay, ya is actually the feminine. So ka, when you see any of this in front, then ka becomes g, cha becomes j, ta becomes da, pa becomes ba, cha becomes za. And then any of this in front, nga becomes haisa nga, nya becomes nya, na becomes na, ma becomes ma. Okay. Then ya, even though it's a feminine, but it's only preceded by ka. This becomes high sound. Ya, ya. Okay, so that's how these 5 letters, which are ngunju, influence the sound of mingxi. Okay, so ka, cha, ta, ba, cha become ga, ja, da, ba, ja. Nga, nya, na, ma, nga, nya, na, ma. only one exception, even though it's a feminine, but only preceded by ka, then it becomes high sound. Ya, ya. Okay. So this then again Mingxi. Again for Mingxi, we have superscript. Yeah, superscript. So I call it goik. Goik. Go means head. Goik. So goik we have only rango, lango, sango. Rango, lango, sango. Right? Rest. So we normally say rago. You know, rango. Name is a lango. Okay, and then sango, like that. Rango, lango, sango. Okay, rango, lango, sango. So again, this for Mingxi, again, if there's anything on this, any of these three letters, yeah, ra, la, sa, they become low tone. Kachataba, gajandabadza. So here, why this color? So ka, you know, for example, rakadaga, rakadaga, wasagadaga, walagadaga, like that. Okay, so same here, and here nga sangatanga, okay, langatanga, rangadanga, like that, high sound. Okay, and for that there is none, but one exception we have, that is ha. So ha, la hada, only la comes, only this la on the ha. So again, it's 10 letters, okay, 10 Mingxi plus ha, so that makes 11. So it's very, very easy. You just remember this, you know, Mingxi only 11 letters they change, yeah. So once we know this, then it's easy. Then we go for dogik, dog, okay. Okay, shabik, you can say shab, shab is the leg, or we call it dog. Dog means to hang, you know, hang, dogik, whatever you call it. Dog means to hang. So here, wasur, first wasur, then ya, ra, la. Okay, so wasur, we don't put wa, just, you know, for Mingxi, for example, it's a ka. So if you put ka wasur, ka, no sound change, yeah. So that's why we don't need this, only spelling, yeah. So now what is left is ya. Okay, so ya, again now kayada kya, okay, kayada kya, kayada kya. Okay, then we have payada cha, payada cha, payada cha, payada cha, mayada nya. Then one extra, hayada kya. So remember this, yeah. Okay, let me put something like this, yeah. So it's same ka, a sound, and ya. So because it's a ya, so ka plus ya, right? So you have to say ya first. So ya. So what happens to, okay, now once you set the ya position, then you say ka, yeah, kya, you know, kya, and end with a sound. Kya, then ha sound. Kya, kya, a sound. Ha, ha, ha. So kya, kya, kya. That's it. And hayata, hya. And this payata cha. This is payata cha. Payata cha. What's spelling? Payata cha. Mayata nya. That's it. Yeah. Yata. Payata cha. Payata cha. Payata cha. Mayata nya. So this is only learn spelling. Yeah. Cha 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 nya. Same. So they act same. Whatever prefix, superscript, they will do the same change. Okay. And then for ways we have what is ways? Where is it? Dogi, yeah, ra is left, yeah. So ra, Then we have ra is, okay, let's go like that, ra. So ra, how do we say? Karadata, 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 karadata. Then paradata, paradata, paradata. Okay. Then what else? Talota. So it comes second, yeah. Taradata, taradata, taradata. So remember this, yeah. They're same. First are same as sound. Ta. So set ra first. Ra. Tip of the tongue up. Then you say as. Ka. Ta. Asan. Ta. Ta. Ha. Ta. 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 Very simple. Okay. Ta ta ta. Ta ta ta. Ta ta ta. Okay. Same sound. Like this. How Mingxi. You know the Mingxi. The Mingxi means the basis of sound, and how the prefix, superscript, or down subscript, the Jinjuk, the post suffix or suffix change the sound of Mingxi. So this is all about learning the sound. Okay. Now we did a lot of minutes. Yeah. Any questions? You got it now, some idea. Okay, it's very simple. Yeah. Okay, so it looks very difficult, but actually it's just alphabet. So knowing this so then you see all this, how it comes. So remember, these, you see, looks very, this and this. Remember these 9 letters, yeah. So therefore, it's very important to know this, yeah. Okay. So I call these. Where's the sound? These vowel endings, endings. To make it more clear, I'll say something. We go back to this, yeah. Okay. So Mingxi, right? So Mingxi ka plus a, okay, is ka, right? And ka plus a with a is ka, right?
Share the screen.
You don't see the screen?
No.
Okay. Okay, wait a minute. I shared it. Can you see now?
Yes, now.
Okay. Let's make it bigger. Why is not becoming big? Okay. Okay. So ka plus a is ka. Okay. Ka plus a is ka, right? Then ka plus a, right? Ka plus a is ka. It's ka, right? Ka plus a is ka. So if you look here, okay. Oh, why some are big, some are, I don't know. So ka plus a is equal to ka. But you see, ka plus a is ha sound, right? Ka. So that's why you say this a is a vowel, but when it mixed with ka, then this becomes automatically ha. Okay, this here becomes ha, but actually in reality it's a still. Okay, so that's why vowel, it's a vowel is a, so then it becomes, in ending it becomes either ha, it's a itself, ha, or a. Okay, so ka are same. When ka plus a, then it becomes ha, ka. Ka plus a is ka. So therefore, these three, masculine, neuter, feminine comes. So that's what I'm trying to say here in this is what I try to say here. Okay, vowel endings. Actually, it's this or this. They, when it add with the mingxi, then they change according to the gender. Okay, so here ka all become a or e, a e u e o, right? So ka ki ku ke ko. Then here same is a, but it be ha hi hu he. So ka ki ku ke ko, ha sound. Here ha sound. So a i u e o, ka ki ku ke ko. And more low is ga gi gu ge go, nga ngi ngu nge ngo, or nga ngi ngu nge ngo. Okay, so ending. So when this becomes high sound, then also they change to a. So nga is nga, a sound. Nga is a sound, high sound. Okay. So it's easy. When you face difficult, use always this chart. This will guide you. So then you practice all this, you know, make the alphabet perfect, and then no problem. Okay. Okay, question time. Yeah, you ask questions. Okay, no questions? You want to hear more, yeah? Okay, let's go back to one now. Today, another sutra. So sutra is okay. So sutra is this one. Shirogye parudu chima. Shirjin chigma. We call shirjin chigma. Okay. Deshin shepa ki yum. Okay. Sherap ki parul tu chin masa. Yege chigma she chawas. Okay. So deshin. So this is tathagata said deshin. Shekba, we learn, yeah, shekba means to go, gata. Tamche all, ki is of particle, yeah. Yum, deshishiba tamjegi yum, mother, okay, mother of all, deshishiba. Sherapki, so you can cut like this. Sherapki, parudu chinma, so parudu chimpa or parudu chimma, okay, perfection wisdom. Ige means a letter or syllable. Chik, only one. Chikma, again, feminine, yeah. Shechawa. So, Gyagar Kedu, we learned this. I don't need to explain.
Enlarge.
Sorry?
Can you enlarge? Yes, thank you.
Okay. Gyagar Kedu. Okay, so Gyagar Gya. Gya means, I said, beer, yeah. Usually it's kar, means white. So, anyway, it's India. Gyagar Kedu. So, in Indian language, it means Sanskrit. Yeah? Eka means one, right? Eka. Ek do tin, you know, in Hindi. Eka. So eka. Akshari. Akshari, yeah. Ak, then sha is left. Akshari. Okay. Akshari. Mata is in Hindi where mata means mother. Nama. Okay. Nama. Sarva, all. Sarra here. Sarva. Tathagata. Then praj, or you can say prajnya or pragya, whatever you call it. This whole letter you can call gya, you know, pragya or prajnya, whatever you call it, prajna, para mitta. Okay, So Eka, Akshari, Mata, Nama, Sarva Tathagata, Pragya or Prachnya, Paramita. Phekedu, Phekedu, Deshin Shekpa. Okay? Tathagata, Thamche, Sarva, Thamche, Ki is particular. Yum is Mata. Sherab ki Parudu Chinma is Pranya Paramita. Yige, okay, Yige is Akshari. Then Chik is Eka, so Ma is feminine, yeah. She Chawas, okay. 베개도 대신 셔가 탐지기 윰 시랍게 퍼르드 치마 이지 찍마 she Chawa, okay. Chemo, the great mother, Chemo. Sherabki means of wisdom. Parutu, okay, Parutu. Beyond samsara, it's actually Parutu. This is particle. Parutu. Chin means go beyond the perfection of wisdom. Yeah, go beyond the ocean of samsara. Parutu chimma la chakchelo. Okay, chakchelo. So we explained last time this one. Dike, dagi, töpa, tüchik na. Okay. Das, dike means thus. Dagi I. This is agentive particle. Töba means heard. Tüchik na one time. Yeah. Tu is time. This tüchik la. You can say tüchik la. Then Chumden de Bhagwan, right? I explained last time. Chumden de Gelpo, okay, cup. Yeah, so Gelpo cup. This is kingdom, okay, of the king. Yeah, Gelpo cup. Chagwe. Cha means the Chagwe means a vulture. Cha means bird. Gwe means of wild. You know, Chagwe. Pungpo is like hip, you know, pungpo, sound, yeah, e, e, u, e. Remember these are we learned, you know, how to pronounce it. It's e, e, u, e. So here so ri means mountain or hill. La chumden de gebu kap chagu pungbu rila. Ge long. So ge means virtue. Long means back, you know. So gelong, so bhikshu. Gelong. Gelong ki is a particle, yeah. Gelong ki of. Ge dun. Ge dun. Ge is virtue. Dun means wish to have. You know, dumba. Gendun. So that's sangha. Chembo big. Gya is 100. Tak like juta is a, you know, dunta 7. Juta, gyata, dongta, like that. You put after, you know, groups, you know, a group, then you say gyata. So 100 say that. Che is half. Tang, chu. So it's chuk. We should say chusum is fine, but you can say chuksum. Okay. So here, when you this very often you hear this che tang. So if we say che tang chu means 9.5. Okay. So when you say che tang chu means 9.5. Okay. Che tang dun means 6.5. So when the che is put in front, then you must minus it. Okay. Chu tang chega means if you put chega after, then it means you plus. So here, chutang, you know, chetang, choksum, choksum. That's why here it's called 1250. Okay, 1250 around that. Chetang, choksum tang. Remember this, okay? Chetang, and the number means you minus half. Chutang, cheka, then you add. This keep in mind, okay? You will hear this, you see this again and again. So gelongi gendun chenbo gyata chedang choksom. Choksom is 13, right? So 13 minus half is 12 and half. Choksom tang changchup sempa. Okay? So chang means Buddha, and chang means like sang, like sangye, like same. Sang, jang means to purify. Chup means having all the quality. So same as sangye. Sempa, same is mind. Pa means brave. Sempa. Chewa taktik. So chewa taktik is it's a number, but here means merits a lot of chewa taktik. So it's a plural. Chewa taktik. Chewa is jik chu ya dong ti boom saya chewa. Yeah. So chewa taktik is a number. So anyway, it means many. Mangbo tang. So mangbo means many. Tapjikdu, you know, tapjikdu. So this always it's a phrase. Tapjik means together. Tapjikdu shukso. Okay. Gelongi gendu chenbo gyata chedang chosom tang chanju semba chewa taktik mangbo tang tapjikdu shukso. Yeah, these are easy. 대체, 대, okay, 대체 or 대체 here. Okay, at that time, 대체 좀된 내기 by 좀된 내기 체당 덴바. So 체 is life. Demba means having life. Yeah, so it has a different meaning. 체당 덴바. Normally they translate venerable. Venerable has no meaning of this. But there's no English word, yeah. Chedan demba, kun gao. So kun means all, gao means delight, you know. So that delight all. So ananda. Kun gao la. Dike. So dike. Che. Katzel to. Okay. Katzel do means set. Yeah? It's an honorific word. 대체 좀된 되기 처단 덴바 꾸가올라 디게 제 까젤또 like that. So 자 zel L sound, right? 젤또. It's a short, yeah. 꾸가오. So 꾸가오. 셰랍기 파를투 침바 이게 찍마 셰차와 디. Okay, Shechawadi, Simchen, sentient beings, Namla, all to all, Pembathang, benefit, Pembathang, Dewa means well-being, Dewe Chir, you know, for the sake of, Sungshi means remember, yeah, Sung, Shik is a kulsik. Okay. So kunga오 시랍게 파르도 침바 이기 찍마 시차와 디 셈제 남라 펜바탕 대외 칠 is reason 칠 for this 칠 숭시 okay. So here didate so didate so that's it. So shirshi is just a single syllable perfection wisdom is a. So a is in Sanskrit is a negation, you know. So negation. So emptiness is a negation, yeah. MD of inherent existence, MD of objective, to, you know, like that. So it's a negation a. So a is very much used also in Dzogchen, you know, like that, you know, we say this. Like the many ways of practicing this. And then Jomden deki by Jomden de dike che katzel ba tang. So as soon as Buddha said this here, tang means not end. Maybe later I will explain this. Yeah, tang means as soon as. Sedang demba. Yeah. Kungau. Kungau. Tang. This is and. Gelong Teda. So 250 Gelong Teda. This get Teda. Tang. Changchuk. Sempa. Sempa Chembo. We learned this in Sharoningbo. Teda. Tamche Ki. Paredu Chimba. Jesu. Tok means understand. Jesu means very much. Just tok. Shing and Irang rejoice. Irang ne and again then. Chomden de ki. Why it's coming? Chomden de ki. Chomden de ki sungba. Chomden de ki sungba again by chomden sungba la to. Ngumpar means highly. Ngumpar to. Okay. So again, Sedan Demba, Kung Gao Tang, Gelong Teda Tang, Chengju Sempa, okay, Sempa, Sempa Chembo, Teda Tamje Ki, Parudu Chimba, Jesu Tok Shing, Irang Ne, Chomden Deki, Sungbala, Ngombar Teto, Deshin Shekpa, Tamje Ki, Yum Sherapki Paretu Chima Igikma Shechawa Zokso. Yeah, Zokso. Same as Zokchen, you know, but here Zok means to finish. So I did little bit editing on the translation, yeah. Okay. Good. So we learn how to read at least. Here it's only so it's very, very powerful. If you are meditating on emptiness, if you're practicing che, it's it's all you know, che is just heart sutra so if you know then you know everything. Okay, any questions? Ask questions if you have. So we did talk.
Dr. Chok,
yes,
maybe, sorry, I am a little, not a little dull mind because I didn't understand very well when you talk about the numbers, how the half number, how do you sum this 120, this
okay.
part.
Okay. So here, this is a phrase, yeah, chetang. Chetang. Okay, so here we go back to here. This is a Tibetan, you see, when we say chetang chu. Okay.
Can I share the screen?
I always share the screen, but when I share this, it never works, yeah? Okay, again, you see that, yeah? Oh my. Okay, so here, chetang chu. This one, yeah, chetang. When you see this chetang and any number, for example, chu, which means you minus half from 10. So which is actually 9.5. 9.5, 9.5, okay? Is gu thang cheka. Oh, gu thang cheka. So here, gu thang che, you know, cheka. Here, che thang chu. So when you, this is a phrase, che thang and any number, then you minus half from that, okay? But if this che comes after the number, like gudang che, gudang cheka, cheka means half, right? Gudang cheka, that means 9.5, yeah? So this, often you will see that really confuses people, you know, okay? Then chetang, gya, like that, gya, chetang gya. So you should always minus, okay? Minus. Che comes here, minus half, okay? from this number.
And when
Okay.
come after,
When it's
it's also
after,
minor. Yes, after the number.
if it's chu tang cheka, means it's 10.5. Yeah, no problem. Here chu tang cheka means actually is 10.5, right? But here down chu, so chu comes after cheka, right? So it's a phrase. Chedang chu means it's 9.5.
Yeah.
That's confusing. Don't worry.
Exacto.
I myself also confuse this a lot. Okay.
No
Any other
way.
questions? Any other questions? We still have 20 minutes. Yeah. You must ask questions. Yeah. Why are you not asking? Maybe it's too clear. Yeah. Maybe.
You are Namka Guru. Very clear. Really, very accurate.
Thank you. Thank you. Oh, okay. Good. So I explained quite well today. Okay, now we go back to speaking, yeah. Speak. Okay, so pronunciation we did quite okay. Now here. First I will let's do this, yeah. We do little bit interjunction, yeah, because that's interesting. Yeah. Do you see this? Everybody can see, right? Jacqueline, you can see that, right?
Yes, can see. Yes.
Okay, so that's page 28, yeah. Here, interjunction, interjections, yeah. So here, first is ata, ata. Okay, hot, anything, even not only hot, but my daughter here, touch it the leg. Okay, so ata is cha means hot actually. Also cha means when you pinch we say ata, you know, ata. So you can say ata. Learn this, yeah. Achu is water, right? Achu, so it's cold. Achu, whenever you feel cold or something cold, with Tibetans achu, like that. Ara is pain. When it's a pain, we say ara or arara. Okay. Atzi is a surprise. So atzi, like that. And for shock, we say ama, you know. Many languages say mother, you know. Amama, you can say amama, it's a shock. So when you're tired, then you say ayo, like that, okay? So I'll tell you a story here, ara. Ara. So ara is, you know, when we were in college in Delhi, so we go to, for example, nightclub, and then we see, you know, the girls there, and then we check are they Tibetan or not, you know. So you go and dance, and then we hit the feet. Okay, so if it's a Tibetan girl, they will say ara or arara. Naturally, they say that, you know. Oh, you're a Tibetan. We can easily understand from this ara, you know, because nobody says ara except Tibetans, you know. So like that, we go, you're Tibetan. Ara. Then ayo. Ayo is in doubt. Ayo, you know, it's a doubt. Aya, regret. Ayaya, like that. Aka, you know, so aka or akaka means, you know, dismay. you feel sad about this, too bad, you know, aka, akaka. Then here we usually say ale, so actually it's ale, but we usually say ale, ale. Ale means shame for, usually we say to kids. Then ale means, oh, I see, ale. Okay. Then aha, that's a wow, you know, aha, ahaha, amazement. Then we also hear this ningje, naturally, oh ningje, so which means ningje means compassion, right? So we also say ningje very often. Then kuchi, we actually say kuchi. Actually it's kuken, but we will say kuchi, means please, kuchi. Then atsi is also wonder, atsi, like that. So these, you know, learn, you know, become, so that you become natural in speaking Tibetan. Okay. So today we will learn how to use verbs. Yeah. So last time we did verbs, little bit verb. Kiran chatungi in there. So here, present. Okay. Present is here. Ki. Okay. Ki. Okay. So let me use this. I will type. Okay, I will type. Do you see? Jacqueline, do you see this?
Yes.
Okay. So nga chu tungi ye. Okay. Nga chu tungi yin. Nye chu tung pa yin. Okay. So for first person, remember here chu. See? Here. So first is present, yeah. Nga, subject. Chu is what? Nga chu tungi ye is present. I drink water, or I'm drinking water. But if you want to say nga chu, if you really want to stress, then nga chu tung kin yu. Okay, kin yu. So which is a particle. We have another way of saying, but in this case like this, nga chu tung yu. Ki yu. So remember ki yu. This change according to the suffix, but usually ki yu. Okay, nga ki yu. Nga verb ki yu. And Tibetan is subject. Okay, it's a subject, then object and verb. Okay, subject, object, verb. Tibetan language is like this, not subject, verb, object like English. Okay, so nga chu, water, it's object, and tung comes here. So this is ending. Okay, nga chu tungi yu. Nga chu tungi yu. Remember this, nga chu tungi yu. Okay, nga chu tungi yu. Nga chu tungi yu. Then, if you want to stress, nga chu tungin yu, kin yu, nga chu tungin yu. And another way of saying is nga chu tung shin pa yin. Then it completely becomes a different structure. Okay, nga chu tung shimpa means it's showing present. Nga chu tung shin pa yin, chu tung Shimbayin. So completely different. Okay, so we omit this for the timing. So nga chu tungi. Okay, nga chu tungi. Then nga khala sagi. Okay, whatever you want to say. Nga khalak is sa. Okay, ki. Like that. So ki, remember ki. Nga chu tungi. Nga khala sagi, etc. Okay, nga teplogi. Nga oma tungi. Nga pöge jangi, like that. Okay, ki, remember this. And then this no need, yeah. Next, for future, ki yin, okay. Nga chu tungi yin, ki yin. So I will say that tungi yin, nga chu tungi yin, okay. Ki yin. Now for here, all you can put sa. It's fine. Nye chu tungi yin, yeah. You don't need to say this, yeah. It's fine if you say nga chu tungi, it's fine. But for past, nye, you have to use this nye. I don't know why. Nye, but Tibetans say this, yeah. Nye means by me. Nye chu tung pa yin. So pa yin, this is it. Pa yin, okay. Chu tung pa yin. Nye chu tung pa yin. Or if you even don't want to say nye chu tung yin. Nye chu tung yin. Okay, but for easier, pa yin. Nye chu tung pa yin. So pa yin. Okay. Ki yin. And ki ye. Nga chu tungi ye. Nga chu tungi yin. And then nye chu tung pa yin. Okay, chu tung pa yin. So these are part of this. Actually, it's like this, yeah. You know, like this. You go like this. So nga chu tungi ye. Nga chu tungi yin. Nye chu tung pa yin, like that. Okay. So remember this, yeah. Then based on that, it's easy to make caution, yeah. Ye is yebe, yin is yimbe, and then yin is yimbe, right? So in the beginning, like that. Then kongki, for example, for kongki, now kong chutungi yores, okay, yore. For second and third person, yeah. Kong chutungi yore. Kong chutungi yore. Kong kalasagi yore. General. But if you see, then kong chutungi duk. Okay, kong chutungi duk. Kong chutungi duk. So present, right? Future, kong chutungi re. So now this thing is kong chutungi re in the future. Kong kalasagi re. Kong chutungi re. Kong lobjung chegi re. Okay, second and third person. Then kongki, yeah. Kongki, okay. Kongki chu tung here, tung song. So here, kongki chu tung song. Kongki chu tung song. This is what when you see, yeah. Otherwise, kongki chu tung ba re again. Kongki chu tung ba re. Kongki chu tung song. So duk and song. This is witness. Okay. Understood? Kong chutungi yore, normal. He drinks water. Or he's drinking water, both. Kong chutungi yore. If you see Kong chutungi duk, okay, not yore, Kong chutungi duk, then future we cannot see. So Kong chutungi re, he will drink, yeah. Kong chutungi re. Then Kongi chutung re, yeah, he drank. Kongi chutung bare. But if you saw that he drank, then Kongi chutung song, like that. So that's how you use for where is it? Screen here. Okay. So here duk yore se dirde. So first is nga chutungi ye ki ye. Nga chutungi ye. So nga chutungi ye. Kerang chutungi yebe. Kerang chutungi yebe. La ye nga chutungi ye. Okay. Kerang wama is milk. Tungi yebe. La me nga wama tungi me. Okay. Kerang kari tungi ye. Nga chutungi ye. Kerang chutungi ye. Wama tungi ye. Nga chutungi ye. It's easy. Kongi chutungi duk, when you see this, yeah, So that's why you have here number 2, you know. Is another way of saying. So you can check that. Also number 2, you can look at page, I don't know, your general factor, all this. So 콩 추통기 둑, 콩 추통기 두개 라둑, 콩 추통기 둑, 콩 어마 통기 두개 라민둑, 콩 어마 통기 민둑, 콩 가리 통기 둑, 콩 추통기 둑, 콩 추통기 둑, 어마 통기 둑, 콩 추통기 둑. Okay, so this I explain. Yeah, yore is general. 콩 추통기 yore 배. yore 고충통기 yore, same as you. Yeah. So here, I think we did last time this one, and then for future here, this is I am. It's a stressed. You know, here what are you doing? It's fine. Yeah, but if you really want to stress, and then you say 퉁심바인, or you can say 추퉁긴유. So therefore, these particles here, gin, kin, kin, yin, kin, kin. These are particles for present continuous tense. Okay. So here, 퉁심바인, which is quite common actually, instead of 퉁긴유. This is more common in spoken language. 걔랑 가르치기요. nga 추퉁심바인, you know, 심바인. nga 추퉁심바인, 심바인, 신나, 신바인. nga 추퉁심바인. 걔랑 추퉁심바, 인배. 라인, nga 추퉁심바인. So say this together. 퉁심바인. Okay, 퉁심바인. 걔랑 오마퉁심바인 배. 라메, nga 오마퉁심바메. 걔랑 가리퉁심바인, 가리퉁심바인, 오케이, 가리퉁심바인, 마추퉁심바인, 걔랑 추퉁심바인, 어마퉁심바인, 마추퉁심바인, which is very common instead of kin, spoken shin is common. Then 콩 추퉁심바레 or redu. So we forget this re, normal. 콩 추퉁심바레베 라레 고충퉁심바레 콩 어머퉁심바레베 라마레 콩 어머퉁심바마레 콩 가리퉁심바레 콩 추퉁심바레 콩 추퉁심바레 어머퉁심바레 콩 추퉁심바레. So shimba is more common. This is stressed when you stressed. And then for the future, you know, keen. So here keen. So here tung is actual way of writing the particle, but normally don't say tung, you know, we say tung. So 걔랑 자 퉁심바인배, it's fine. 아우타식 퉁가 퉁, yeah. 퉁심바인배, no. 걔랑 자 퉁기인배, 기인, nga 자 퉁기인, right? nga 자 퉁기인. So 아우타식 퉁가 퉁 is fine. Like this. 퉁. Because Tibetan don't say tung, you know, tung. 걔랑 자 퉁기인배, 걔랑 자 퉁기인배, 라인 nga 자 퉁기인, right? 걔랑 오마 퉁기인배, okay? 라메 nga 오마 퉁기메, 걔랑 가리 퉁기인, nga 자 퉁기인, 걔랑 자 퉁기인, 오마 퉁기인, nga 자 퉁기인. And for second, third person, 콩 자 퉁기레. 콩 자퉁기 레베 라레 콩 자퉁기 레 콩 어마퉁기 레베 라마레 콩 어마퉁기 마레 콩 가리퉁기 레 콩 자퉁기 레 콩 자퉁기 레 어마퉁기 레 콩 자퉁기 레 like that. So this you just remember, yeah, remember this, and these are words, and listen. So back to this. Okay, remember past and this. Okay, nga oma 퉁기 예. Okay, nga oma 퉁기인 nye oma 퉁바인. So remember this, yeah. Then 콩 oma 둥기둑. 콩엄마 둥기둑. Okay. 콩엄마 둥기둑. 콩엄마 둥기둑. 콩엄마 둥기둑. Then 콩엄마 둥기래. Yeah. Then 콩기엄마 퉁송. Okay. 콩기엄마 퉁송. 콩기엄마 퉁송. Yeah. 콩기엄마 퉁송. Remember this. Yeah. Okay. 콩기엄마 퉁송. 콩기엄마 퉁송. Oh, 콩기엄마 퉁바래. 바래. Like that. So this is the five, not five, main tense. Yeah. Present, future, past. Okay. Nga oma tungi ye, kong oma tungi duk. Okay. Nga oma tungi yin, kong oma tungi re. Nga oma tungba yin, kong oma tung song or tungba re. Okay. That's it. Question. Time finish. So maybe we're thinking about Jacqueline, and we're thinking about having again from the basic 10 classes after this. So based on students, then we will start from again alphabet, and then little bit Sanskrit reading right from the beginning. We're thinking about that. Let's see. Okay. Tashidile. Jema Jeyong.
Thank you. Chichiche.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Vamos, Cheche.
Thank you.
Lasso.